सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे पूर्व प्राथमिक, प्राथमिक, माध्यमिक व उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय कळंबोली मराठी, हिंदी, इंग्रजी, उर्दू माध्यम यांच्या सौजन्याने शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे.
We are going to study the subject mathematics. Myself Shweta Santosh Thomre. We are going to study the subject mathematics. In that we are going to study the first part, that is first lesson, that is similarity. So student, in the last year we have studied what is the concept of similarity. What is meant by similarity here? We know that two figures that have same shape but not necessarily the same size, that is called as a similarity. For example, here I draw two figures, two triangles I draw here, triangle ABC and another triangle PQR. These triangles are called as a similar figure. They are having the same shape but they are not having the same size. So this is what similarity that we are going to study in this lesson. Similarly, in the last year we have studied the formula to find the area of triangle. What is the formula to find the area of triangle? Area of triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Suppose I have drawn your triangle LAMN. Here MN is called as the base of this triangle. Here LP is perpendicular drawn on base MN. So here LP is called as a height of the triangle. So using this we can find the area of triangle by the formula, that is 1/2 into base into height. That means 1/2 into your base is Mn, so 1/2 into Mn into your height is Lp, so 1/2 into Mn into Lp. Now let us start the concept, that is ratio of areas of two triangles. In this concept we are going to study some properties. In that, property number 1, see what is given here. The ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding height. So what is given in the first property? Here they given us two triangles. So here we consider two triangles. First is ABC, another is PQR. So the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding height. So this property we will use when both the triangles having different base and different height. So let us see what is given here. In triangle ABC, here base BC, this base BC we can represent as B1. Here AD is perpendicular to base BC, so here AD is called as a height of triangle ABC. So here height is equal to AD and this height we can represent as H1. Now see the second triangle PQR. Here also base QR is given, so base is equal to QR is equal to B2 and height PS is given here. So here we can say height is equal to PS and this height we can represent as H2. Now according to property, here we will take the ratio of the areas of two triangles. So here we can take the ratio of the areas of two triangles, that means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Now in the previous stage we had seen the formula to find the area of triangle. That formula we are going to use here. So what is that formula? Here we can write the formula to find the area of triangle ABC. What is that formula here? 1/2 into base into height. So 1/2 into your base of triangle ABC is BC, so into BC into your height of triangle ABC is AD. So what formula we are getting here? 1/2 into base into height. Now see for the second triangle, that is PQR. Here also same formula we are going to use, that is 1/2 into base into height. That means 1/2 into your base is QR and height is PS. So 1/2 into QR into PS. Here in this stage this 1/2 get cancelled. Similar terms get cancelled during the division. So what is remaining here? BC into AD upon QR into PS. Now here we will put the things which are assumed for base and heights. So here BC we can represent as B1 into AD we can represent as H1. Here QR we can represent as B2 and PS we can represent as H2. So what equation we are getting here? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. So this first property we proved here. Once again see the property. The ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. Now let us start with the property number 2. What is the property number 2 given here? The ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Now here we are having the two triangles with the equal heights. So here we draw two triangles. First is triangle ABC, another is triangle PQR. This both the triangle having equal height. If the triangle having equal height, then the ratio of their areas is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. Now see how can we prove this second property. Once again here we can represent what is base and what is height. So in triangle ABC, base is BC, we can represent this base as B1. Height is AD, we can represent this height as H. In case of another triangle that is PQR, base is QR, we can represent this base as B2. And height is PS, we can represent this height as H. Now see students, this both the triangle having equal heights, therefore here we show the heights by same terms, that is H, H. Now once again take the ratios of the areas of two triangles. Hence area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to. Here once again we are going to use the same formula, that is 1 upon 2 into base into height. So again write down here 1 upon 2 into, your base is BC into height is AD, upon 1 upon 2 into QR into PS, that means 1 upon 2 into base into height. Here again 1 upon 2, the same term is there in the numerator as well as the denominator, which is get cancelled. So what is the remaining? BC into AD upon QR into PS. Now again we can replace these terms by our assumptions. So here BC we can replace by B1 and AD we can replace by H. Similarly QR we can replace by B2 and here PS we can replace by H. Once again here H, H, both terms are same, so they are cancelled from both the sides. So what is remaining here? Is equal to B1 upon B2. So what final equation we are getting here? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to B1 upon B2. That means when both the triangles having equal height, then the ratio of the areas of both the triangle is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. Now let's see property number 3. What is the property number 3 given over here? The ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Now here we consider two triangles. The two triangles having equal bases, but they are having the different heights. So how can we find the ratio of the areas of two triangles? Let us see. Now consider triangle ABC in which base is BC. Here base we can represent by B. Now height is AD, we can represent this height as H1. Now in triangle PQR, base is QR, again we represent this base as B, and height is PS, we can represent this height as H2. Now here student, see this both the triangle having equal base, therefore here we represent the base by same letter, that is B, but they are having the different heights. So here we represent the heights by the different letters. Now according to property, here we take the ratio of the areas of two triangles. Again we are going to use the same formula to find the area of the triangle, that is 1 upon 2 into base into height. So ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. Here base of triangle ABC is BC and height is AD. So here 1 upon 2 into BC into AD. Similarly, in case of triangle PQR, 1 upon 2 into base into height. That means 1 upon 2 into QR into PS. Again, here 1 upon 2 get cancelled. What is the remaining? BC into AD upon QR into PS. Again, we replace heights and base by the respective assumptions. So here BC we can replace as B, AD we can replace as H1. Similarly QR we can replace by B, and here PS we can replace by H2. Again BB, which is same in the numerator as well as the denominator, will get cancelled. So what is remaining? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to H1 upon H2. That means here our property get fulfilled. The ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights when we are having the equal bases. Now let us see property number 4. What is the property number 4 given here? The ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal heights and equal bases is equal to 1. That means their areas are equal. Now here we consider two triangles. They are having the equal base and equal height. So consider triangle ABC, in which base is BC. We can represent as base as B. Height is AD. We can represent this height as H. Another triangle PQR. Here also base is QR. We can represent this base as B, and height is PS. We can represent this height as H. Now focus here, student. Both the triangles having equal base and equal height. So here what property we are going to prove here? See, the ratio of the areas of both the triangles. Here we take the ratio of the areas of triangle ABC and triangle PQR is equal to, once again use the same formula, that is 1 upon 2 into base into height. So 1 upon 2 into BC into AD upon 1 upon 2 into QR into PS. Again here 1 upon 2 get cancelled. What is the remaining? BC into AD upon QR into PS. Again we replace BC by B, AD by H, QR by B, and PS by H. Again this B get cancelled, which is same. H will also get cancelled. So what is remaining here? 1. That means what we are getting here? The area of both the triangles. If the triangles having equal base and equal height, then the ratio of both the triangles is equal to 1. That means both the triangle having the equal areas. This is our fourth property which is proved.